In this video, I'll show you how to load and how to replace the ink cartridges in your Brother MFC-J4335DW. So let's get started right away. This printer takes the Brother LC406 ink cartridges. I'll put links in the description if you want to get them from Amazon. Open this door simply by flipping down this protective door. And you're gonna notice over here, we're gonna have a sticker telling us which ink cartridge goes where. It's very important to not mix them up. So we have first magenta, cyan, yellow, and finally the black ink cartridge. So let's start with the magenta. I'm taking the ink cartridge, it looks like this, and you're gonna hold it like that. So you should have the M for magenta facing you and this part over here facing the printer. Hold it and simply glide it in the appropriate place. All right, then all you have to do is to take your thumb and push it. You see it says push on this white circle. This means you push it until it clicks in place. Then let's do the cyan. And by the way, since we're here, let me show you how to remove an ink cartridge in case you already had a set of cartridges installed. So you simply need to put your finger on the top and push down. You're gonna hear a click. It will disengage the ink cartridge. And now you just have to slide it out. Very, very easy. All right, so let's put the cyan. Again, the C should face me, and where it says push should face me as well. Glide it, click it, the yellow, glide it and click it, and finally the black ink cartridge, which is larger than all the other ones. Same thing, we're gonna glide it and at the end push it. So this is how you install and also how you remove these ink cartridges. At the end, you simply have to pull up this door and close it. The printer will automatically detect that you have input some ink. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, again, check my Amazon links to get ink for your printer. Usually it's the cheapest option. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.